Hi guys, my name is Tiffany Piper, and today I'm joined by Bailey, and I'm joined by Oliver. He destroyed my gun! Okay, Oliver's going to be recording mine.
The one who broke the gun, I'm very irresponsible.
That's why we let him record.
I kill you! I genuinely will!
Kill
you! I kill you!
You have to
win. Go
Alright guys, let's get this party started. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! We're going on a ship. What the?
And we see Bailey! Former hacker! Shooting with a modulus! You see wimpy little Nicholas running for his life. He's screaming and shouting in the dark.
And I'm on a Christmas tree! Mike! Wow!
Oh, Nicholas took a shot! He missed. Tragically. Whoa, he's shooting! What? As you can see, it's a wild goose chase! I
don't know.
Nicholas is being his wimpy little self. Oh! Ow! Ah! These nuts! Bailey! Oh no, he's out of ammo! This is Nicholas, it's time to shoot! Getting steady to shoot!
Yeah!
Say hi to the camera!
Hi! I'm like a grandma, just kidding people.
Former earthquake! On these nuts! As we go, zoom over to Bailey. He's hiding. Hey, Nicholas is over here! And Nicholas comes to say hello.
My name is Jeff.
No, that's not my name. That guy is Stacy, but my name is Jeff. Bailey's reloading. I'm on some crazy pig. Ah, Nicholas just said bye.
Can they see me nice? Right, let me show my
You make his head. Look, come on, head.
Oh. It's dark now, guys.
Nah, you're not. Oh, Bailey's going for a shot out of the mist. Hiding, shooting! He's legging it! Across the hills and far away! You could only just see. And Bailey's back into sight! And Bailey wins!